Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you 5 healthy recipes that I've incorporated in my diet of healthy eating. Our first meal is oatmeal with fruit and flaxseed. The ingredients needed are oatmeal, apples, cinnamon, honey, flaxseed, and milk. A measuring spoon or cup will be needed as well. Go ahead and boil some water, add in your oats, and stir. As soon as the oats bubble, turn the fire down and put a lid on top to let it simmer. I poured a cup of milk into the oats and stirred it up. For the toppings, add your fruit, cinnamon, flax seeds, and honey. You probably noticed that I didn't add any sugar, and that's because I depend on the fruit and the honey to be the flavors in this dish. So if it still tastes a little bland to you, just add a little bit more fruit. I love bananas, they are especially sweet. The second meal is more of a snack in my opinion. You're going to need a rice cake. I prefer cinnamon apple, peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, and of course honey. Spread on the peanut butter first, add the bananas, sprinkle some cinnamon and some honey, and it's that simple. Now you have a tasty snack to eat. You can add a smoothie to complete the dish, and that's what the next meal is going to be. You're going to need flaxseed, milk, oats, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, honey, peanut butter, and of course, the main star of the meal, fruits and veggies. You can buy the fruit separately, or you can get it all pre-prepared like so. The measurements will be listed down below in the description. If the smoothie is too thick, you can always just add a little bit more liquids to loosen it up a bit. This part is optional. I added some more flaxseed and cut up a lemon, but other than that, enjoy. Now if you're still hungry and it's not quite dinner yet, then of course, eat a salad. Now a salad does not have to be boring and bland. Along with my spring mix, I added the following: cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, apples, turkey, and eggs. Add them all together in a bowl and add your dressing. I like a bowl with a lid so I can shake it up when ready to eat. The cheese in this dish is optional. Now for the main event, our dinner. Today I made Alfredo pasta with veggies. I first boiled some whole grain penne pasta. I believe that's how you pronounce it. While the pasta is boiling, I cooked up the chicken first and then added in the shrimp. The seasonings I used was garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, lemon pepper, basil leaves, black pepper, seasoning salt, minced garlic, onion powder, roasted garlic, and herbs. And let me just say, I know this is a lot of seasonings and you really don't need this much, but I like flavor in my food. Add the Alfredo sauce once the shrimp is cooked. Off to the side, I chopped up some onions and bell peppers and threw them into another skillet. While that's cooking, I drained out the pasta. Now I still want the vegetables to be crunchy, so I cook it for about 5 minutes and then toss it into the sauce. I chose not to add the pasta into the sauce because I didn't want it to end up mushy when I reheated it the next day for dinner, but it's definitely your choice of putting it in the saucer. Here's a tip for when plating your dish. Make sure your veggies make up half of the plate, and then add in your pasta or protein or grain or whatever it is. And that's it. Comment down below which meal was your favorite. And good luck to everybody on their healthy journey.